What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. And today I want to talk about the website called Medium. Some of you guys may have heard about what it is. Some of you guys may not know what it is. I personally recently learned, I think it was back in April, about what the website is. And I just want to talk about if it's worth your time on Medium. Now, Medium is a website where, I'll put it this way, you can write articles. If you ever look up any articles or whatever, you can most likely find them on Medium too. Medium has a bunch of huge publications as well. And there are just some individual writers on Medium as well. So pretty much you can go on the website and you can start writing articles yourself about really anything, whether it's technology, whether it's about business, marketing, entrepreneurship. It really doesn't matter whether it's about personal growth, personal development, or your life story, poems, whatever it is, you can write that on Medium and potentially earn an income, whether it's, I don't know, 5 cents, 10 cents, $2, $3, $10, $100, even $1,000 per article. I have seen people on Medium, they earned more than $15,000 on one single article. Just one single article. And that article probably takes them an hour and a half of their time. And they earn $15,000 on that article. But I'll get into how they earn that. And if I earn that, I'll get into that. So where do you get the money from? Where does the money from Medium come from? Now, if you know YouTube, it comes from Google AdSense. You get your money from the ads and not from affiliate and sponsorships. That's different. Directly from YouTube, you get monetized through Google AdSense, right? Now, Medium is different. Medium is pretty much, you have two different types of readers, two different types of an audience. One is the external people that just go on the website Medium and read your article just like that. Or there are Medium followers. Like, there are people that subscribe to Medium and pay a yearly subscription fee of, I believe it was $50. You pay a yearly subscription fee of $50, and now they're actually Medium viewers. They're internal Medium viewers that view your articles, and based on their reading time, so if they read your article for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, however long your article is, as the minutes add up in the internal views of the amount of Medium followers that actually view and read your articles, that way is the best part of earning your income from Medium. You're going to have a lot of external views, just normal people, like a normal audience who aren't subscribed to Medium, that view your article, and you'll make a lot less. Whereas if it's someone who's subscribed to Medium and has that service and reads your article, they're counted as the internal views, then you earn more based on their reading time. That's pretty much how it works. Two different types, internal and external. You really want to focus on internal. Those Medium followers who have that Medium subscription, you want them to read your article more than the external. You're going to have like 2,000, 3,000 external views. But if you have 300, 400 internal views, you're bound to make more from the internal than the external. Before I do continue this video, I'd like to thank MeCare for sending out their laptop stand for me to check out. Now, this has come in really clutch, especially when I'm writing articles on Medium. Sometimes I need a laptop stand that just helps with the angle of me writing, and this is coming really clutch. It's made of aluminum, it's durable, it's got an ergonomic design, it's got a opening in the center, which helps dissipate the heat of your laptop, which avoids it from overheating. I've had that issue with my MacBook Pro. You can use a laptop from 11 inches all the way up to 16 inches. It's compact and portable if you want to use it on the go. If you're looking for a laptop stand, definitely do check this out. I'll leave the link of this laptop stand in the description down below. Now, back in April is when I discovered Medium, and it was pretty much when I was looking for a way to earn some side income without stressing out too much, and Medium popped up, and I said, hey, I can also write articles and I can also improve my writing as well. So I tried it out, and you guys know me, I make videos about tech, and I really enjoy technology, not just smartphones and smartwatches and all that stuff, but just generally tech, the world of tech. So I started up Medium, and my first couple articles were about phones, but they were based about videos I made, just in article form, in article format. In my first month of April, and I'll actually pull it up right here, I actually started towards the end of April, and I really didn't know what I was doing. So here's what I learned after April. So from April 1st to April 30th, I started around like April 20th. I earned with 3 articles a whopping 2 cents. 2 cents from 3 articles. And I'll get to why, is because I published those articles and that's it. And I'm new on Medium at the time, and I still am fairly new 4 months later, but I started Medium at the time, published 3 articles. The tags weren't really that great. I did not publish it into a publication. So really, who is going to see me? Who's going to notice me? And they did not get curated. That's a big thing. They did not get curated, so I was down to 2 cents for 3 articles. Pretty much one article earned that 2 cents and the rest of them flopped. What does curation mean? Curation means it's where the people on Medium, they select your article to be featured on the homepage, to be featured in like emails and all that good stuff. They pretty much promote your article. And let's say my articles, pretty much they're all based on tech. Some of them they get curated, and if they're curated in like the technology or the gadgets section, then pretty much anyone who goes on gadgets or technology on Medium, they'll be able to find your article in a much easier format. And that's what curation does. It helps your articles get known. It pushes them out there so people can actually find you and read your articles and maybe follow your Medium profile later on. So in the first month of April, that's pretty much what happened. 2 cents, 3 articles, didn't use any publications, did not get curated, whatever. Okay, so let's get to the month of May. May is where things get a little bit different. I published a total of 12 articles, and I earned $1.71. $1.71 from 12 articles. Now, mind you, most of those articles are pretty much my videos from YouTube, but in written format. And it's a good thing when sometimes you have your videos as a voiceover script, so you can kind of change things up and then write them as an article. So it didn't take as much time. I did have to put some extra, obviously, effort in writing them in paragraphs and whatever. But it wasn't too bad for those video articles. When it came to original articles that I wrote from scratch, that's probably at least it looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I wrote 4 articles pretty much from scratch. I did not get curated in the month of May. Actually, I did. I got curated May 31st. I remember very well. I got curated May 31st for one of the articles I had written from scratch. But in the month of May, it happened like this. I researched more about Medium, how to get myself, well known, and how to promote my articles. And I found a couple publications, actually a lot, so I can write for them. Like The Startup is a very good publication if you want to pretty much write about anything. They look for a lot of things, a lot of topics of articles that you can write about. Startup is a great place. It's easy to get accepted as a writer, but it's not really easy to get accepted as like your article getting accepted. That is pretty tough. I got accepted as a writer. I have yet to get accepted as for one of my articles. So Startup is something to look at. It's probably one of the largest publications on Medium. Then if you're looking for something about technology, 10 by Medium is an also really good publication to check out. I have yet to also get an article published by 10, but you can always submit your drafts. And mind you, for these two, so Startup is for rough drafts. you send your rough draft to the startup, and if they accept, they accept. If not, oh well. 1-0 is you can send your rough draft, and you can also publish your article and then send it out later, and they can look at it and take a look and see if it's nice. Then they'll also publish it on their publication. So there's those two. There is the post-survival grad guide. There are a bunch of other publications based on whatever topic you're writing about. I don't remember a couple other ones off the top of my head. And that's it. It's important to understand that if your article is published within a publication, it is much easier for the audience to find your article, to read your article, and discover who you are as an individual. And there are also publications where you can write about anything. So Writer's Block is a really easy publication where you can become a writer or an editor, and you can write pretty much about anything, and you can submit literally anything you want. So in the month of May, that's what I started to do. I started to, hit up these publications, and some of them, I became a writer. I think I have about 6 publications where I'm a writer, but for most of them, it's the publication has to accept, and sometimes they don't, unfortunately. So what happened is I submitted almost all of those articles, and almost all of them got rejected. Okay, but it's not bad. It really isn't bad. It also depends on how much you work at your articles and how much effort you put. If you're a great writer and publications see that, they will gladly accept. I'm not a great writer, and I'm putting it out there. Writing is not my strong suit. As you write, you improve. Yes, it's not my strong suit, but yes, I will hopefully be improving within time in the coming months. At the end of May 31st is when one of my articles, 3 Ways I Naturally Grew My YouTube Channel in 2020, it also got accepted by the Post-Survival Grad Guide publication. And on the last day of May, it got curated, which means the people at Medium, they selected this article to be featured in, I don't remember honestly what topic it was. I think it was social media as one and technology as the other one. I'm not entirely sure, but it got selected in 2 different topics, and that's when it kind of hit a couple views. Like it actually hit some views, and in the end, total from that article, I made 75 cents. And I'll put everything up on screen right now, but I pretty much made 75 cents from that article. Not the greatest, but it is what it is. Then we get to June of 2020, where it was my best month yet. Best month as in like I made the most. It wasn't really wow me. It wasn't a wow me factor or anything like that. But in the month of June, I made a total of $2.80. So I went from 2 cents to $1.71 to $2.80. Yep. So 3 Ways I Naturally Grew My YouTube Channel in 2020. That article that got curated and published by that publication, Post Survival Grad Guide, got $1.10 in total. And then if you look at my other articles as I scroll down, $2.80 in total. So I just kept writing articles, and I tried writing more articles from scratch. So I kind of left the video thing aside and said, I want to write more articles just about what my thoughts are. I already make videos about tech, but I want to write about my thoughts of things that I can't make videos about. So that's what I did, and $2.80 is what I got. Okay, so we can clearly see that you can make an earning on Medium. Is it worth it? It depends. It's not impossible. It is possible. It will take some time. Now let's head to July 1st. Here we got a total of $1.54. Granted, I wasn't able to write as much articles, but for the ones I did, I tried my best to publish them, at least get a publication to publish my articles. But most of them did not, so I had to just go with writer's block and publish it that way. And in total, I made $1.51. $1.51. So it dropped, excuse me, not $1.51, $1.54. So it dropped. It dropped, unfortunately, but that's obviously because I didn't make too many articles. And in August, right now, as of this month, as of August 14th, as of this recording, $2.22. So at this rate, I still have half a month left, so I'll probably be able to beat the $2.80 mark from June. So I'll be able to probably make this the best month on Medium. I mean, I did write a little bit more. I wrote about 5 articles already. I did have some more time on my hands. But the question now is really to sit down and think, is it worth it? Is writing on Medium worth your time? Now, you can look on YouTube and find a lot of people writing or making videos about Medium and saying, is it really worth it? And I would definitely want you guys to check those videos out and see what other people think about Medium and their earnings and see if it's worth it for them. Sometimes luck plays a huge role. You can make an article, publish that, get it curated, and potentially make a couple $1,000 just for one article that might have taken an hour or two of your time. I have not been able to get that far yet. I will continue to write on Medium, not just because I make $2, $3. At that point, it's why would I be working so hard to write articles for $3 a month, right? Ever since I've been writing since April, I've actually enjoyed writing articles, and it's not bad. And you see the improvement. It's been 4 months since I've been writing, and I've seen some improvement in my writing. So I will continue to be writing on Medium. And whether one day, if I get to the point where I can make $1,000 or $2,000 for one article, we'll see. But I will continue to write on Medium. Is it worth it for you? It depends. If you like writing articles on Medium, then yes, you should definitely go ahead and try. And potentially with your liking of writing articles, you can also earn an income, potential income, side income from writing. And if you don't like writing, no, I would literally just say don't go and write on Medium. And also, if you're looking for a side income and this won't take up too much of your time, then I would say go ahead and write it. Write articles on Medium. It's not bad. It's a nice experience. Like I said, if you have time on your hands, an extra hour or two of your day, go ahead. By all means, go ahead. I will hopefully keep you guys updated about how my experience on Medium goes. But definitely check it out. At least check it out. It's going to be worth your time. That's it, everybody. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.